we learned a lot so far. Well, almost the basic HTML elements. So you could just try to do these exercise. I know some of you might have practiced by watching each video, and some might have thought that we would do it after like bunch of videos, but it's always better to do after each video. Now you just take a pause, and with whatever elements you have seen, and there's actually so much of style attributes to look around. So if you go to style attributes, there's so much that you could try. So just try all this. Probably take a reference website and try to imitate that website. Try to create that website from scratch. It might seem complex at the beginning, but practice is what makes you better. So just keep practicing and then start with the next videos.